Howdy everyone, this is a tutorial to help you maybe build your first Padlet or get better at building Padlets better than you have in the past. So first you're going to go to Padlet.com and you can get there through my project resource page off SciSamurai. If you ever forget, it's right here under Padlets. Once you get there, sign in with your Google account and then you'll go to your dashboard. Your first step is to make a Padlet, so you're going to click here. Choose a format that works best for your ideas. If you're lining up ideas side by side, maybe you select columns because then you have a column for each thing. Then you get this modify box and it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to give it a title. You might have descriptions, you might not. That's up to you. Fact, theory, opinion, spelled correctly, theoretically. Then you have some other things here. You have wallpaper. You can go with textures and patterns. Okay. You can add pictures. Okay, whatever works for you. Then there's color schemes, fonts. Choose your font. You can play with this kind of stuff. It's very similar to other things that you work with. Then you're going to click next. And now you can start posting. So I'm going to call this first one fact. And then I'm going to add, so this is my column here. Now you have a lot of options. Here's the upload button, and I can pick a file from my computer. Okay. This is link, hyperlink. So if, for example, I had this great website that I wanted to use, I'm going to copy the URL, go back, and I'm going to paste the link and hit save. Okay, it takes a minute. Things have been kind of slow lately, but it's going to pop up a little summary and usually an image of this website. So here's my article. And actually, I need to change this. Okay. Then, now if I want to add something to this column, for example, I want to add some comments. This is a fact because it can be proven or disproven. This actually happened, and there is data to back it up. Okay, so now I'm going to check and you can add a Google search, you can add images, you could take a picture. But you can see how many different options here. Look at all these things that you can do. I could record a voice memo if I want to. I could take a picture of my screen. I can add a pin from a map. It's pretty incredible, the options. And then if I want to add a column, I just click. Then when you're ready to turn a Padlet in, you're going to click share. And at this point, I can copy a link to the clipboard. Okay? I can email it to myself. I can embed it. But if you're going to submit it on Canvas, you can copy a link and then just go ahead and I can go ahead and turn it in. So for example, I'm going to this assessment assignment. I click submit. I get my box down here, website URL. I click paste. Now my Padlet has been turned in and that assignment is completed. So that's a very quick, hopefully helpful tutorial about how to create and start to add information to a quick Padlet and then turn it in as a Canvas assignment.